Alright, hi guys, I'm just making this quick little video here on the Galaxy S3. Now this is personally not my Galaxy S3. This used to be my mom's old phone, and I'm here to tell you, if you're thinking about buying a Galaxy S3 in 2020, don't do it. Also, don't buy a Galaxy S4 or an S5. They're just too outdated, and with a lot of these old Galaxy phones, they got a lot of bloatware being old Galaxy. The skin's just awful on it, and they're running these really outdated versions. And if you've been watching tech news and stuff, there's going to be some kind of thing coming next year in 2021 that's going to make, I think, Android 7.1 and lower rendered useless, can't load websites and stuff because of something. I don't know, but I mean, really, I think, and I can't really recommend a Galaxy S6 either because I'm having some issues, but I think if you're looking for an older Galaxy phone, definitely get an S7 or newer. Now, I'd say an S8 or newer, but the S7 is also good. The S6, maybe I can recommend, but if you see my last video, having some early issues at the moment, but that could be because I need to update software. And just anything lower than the Galaxy S6 is going to be, you know, that old plastic type phone, and it's just not good. You know, I would definitely get something newer. Of course, the Galaxy S3, you know, it's a great phone. So is the S4 and the S5, but, you know, I wouldn't recommend buying them unless you're just doing it as a collector's item, because as a real phone, it wouldn't do that great. But, you know, and it's got, especially the S3, it's just so old, and it's got such an old OS. I think it's got Android 4, but let me check. About device. Let's see, where do I need to go? Status, no. Oh, 4.4.2. So it's got KitKat. I mean, it was okay, but now it's just so bad, and most apps won't probably even work for it, and they'll be so laggy on this phone. Now I would like to use this one with my AT&T TracFone wireless SIM card, but this is a SIM-less version, which really kind of ticks me off. So if I want to use an S3, I'll have to buy one. But yeah, I just want to say, don't buy the S3 in 2020 going in 2021. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.